I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, definitely take a subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all, I'm gonna try to make this real quick. I did get a weekend. Mine's is 12 for $5. I was super excited at first. I was like, oh, Ibotta, thank you. It was like Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho. Until I saw that there was nothing new on there, and I was just like, oh. So yeah, I'm not hitting it. This is gonna be the third bonus in a row that your girl ain't hitting. All right, but you know what? It be like that. All right. So as far as today, we're just gonna do what we do, and it probably won't be a lot. I'm not even gonna front because there's not a lot going on. I'm gonna be in and out. We're gonna take pictures, voice it over when I get home, and then break down what I got. Now with Flavor Wiki, they have been paying us out slower. It has been taking a little longer, but I think it's just the busier they are, the longer it takes, right? So I did get, I think, 6 or 7 yesterday. So I'm almost there. I did have a couple oatmeals I had to take back though. It was the Bob's Red Meal. I guess it had to be gluten-free but I've been getting the same one and it's been working. And all of a sudden, it ain't working no more. So I'm taking it back. Why? Because I'm not paying $7. Whoa, I got $14 for 2 bags of oatmeal when I got a gazillion trillion at home already. No, we're not doing it. So I'm taking that back today. We're doing a couple field agents as well. And so I do have the energy drink one. It's up to $15 now. I just did one at this AM PM right here. And it's $15 in and out, less than 5 minutes, literally. And this is probably like the 7th or 8th one like this that I've done. So I'm really quick. I'm in and out. There's another one at this AM PM down here. It's about 5 miles or so down the road. I'll probably do that one too. So I am going to be starting today off with $30, which is really, really cool. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can get. If I can find any clearance, that will be awesome because I loves me some Christmas clearance. I love pajamas because I love to sleep and I love to be comfortable. Just like I love food, I love pajamas. So I'm looking for clearance pajamas. I did get some gift sets yesterday though, which is really cool. And so with that being said, we're going to head over, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do with the like button and keep on watching. All right, so the first deal is on the great value. Strawberries and cream instant oatmeal. It's priced at $1.96. For this, we're getting back $3.50 on Flavor Wiki, making this $1.54 moneymaker. Went ahead and grabbed one for both accounts. Next up is the Airwick. I have to do this deal every time it pops up. And for this, I went ahead and grabbed one for Ibotta and then one for each of my Walmart accounts. They're priced at $3.97, getting back $3, making them only 97 cents. All right, just happened to see this one on clearance as well. I assume that it's Christmas clearance. It was only for this scent, priced at $7.33. For this, we have a $5 offer on Ibotta, making this only $2.33. Next up is the Virtual Science. It's on the gut health. This is one of the cheaper products. It's priced at $9.83, getting back $7 on Ibotta. We also have an offer on Fetchward for $3.20. I'm making this a 37-cent moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed one across the board, Ibotta, plus Walmart Rewards 1 and 2. And for this one, I did have to correct my receipt for Fetchward, but I did get credit. All right, so I was really hoping I would find more of the Dove Whole Body. It seems that my area is completely out of stock. They're priced at $5. They do have 2 cents. Getting back $5 on Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, making this absolutely free. All right, guys, so this is the last and final deal. If you are still watching, you still with me, definitely don't forget to smash the like button and support your girl. So this deal here is on the Dial hand soap. They're priced at $2.58. Grabbing 2 of them, that total is going to come to $5.16. I do have dollar hang tags. You'll use 2 of them. That will bring the total down to $3.16. We'll get back $2 on Easy Bucks for buying 2 and then 50 cents on Ibotta for buying 1, making them only 33 cents each. And with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So this is my complete haul for you guys for today. My little baby ass haul. But it be like that sometime. These were the acts that I found. I found 6 of them. I really wanted 10, but there was another lady right there too, and I didn't want to take them all, so I did not. All right, but I wanted to. Those are $5. And I also got the Dove one. I gave the Dove one to my dad. It was one that was in a little like overnight little case situation. Super cute though. And that one was $7.50. And that's everything you see here worked out pretty good considering it was a small little haul. I did finally find the Propel in stock at Vons. That was $179. $4 back on Flavor Wiki, making it a $2.21 money maker, I want to say. Other than that, y'all, this is it. This is it. And so I'm gonna try to make this quick though, but everything you see here retails $47.11, no coupons. Sales tax was $3.63. And then we walk away with $33 from Field Agent. That was one job I did at I think Walmart. And then I did 2 of the gas station ones, which were $15 each. And I told y'all, I said 5 minutes, it's probably like 3 minutes. It only takes a few minutes to get in and get out, especially because it's so small. And I didn't have any problems with both stores today, despite having an issue last time I did this job for Field Agent. But $15, look. And there's 2 more on there. I'll probably do those as well. I'm not sure yet. If they're still there tomorrow, I will. But $33 from Field Agent. Walmart Rewards was $20. That was between the 2 accounts. Flavor Wiki was $11. Ibotta is $10. Fetch Reward is $9.60. Last but not least is Frisbee. I don't mention Frisbee a lot, but it's just an app that you just basically scan your receipts. You can scan up to 40 receipts per week. And I just scanned my receipts and I cashed out $8.67. I normally do every 5, but I was trying to go to 10, but then I said, why wait? And I just went ahead and just cashed out there. I'm getting back a total of $92.27 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $45.16 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. I mean, you know, considering it's a really small haul. And so other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope things get better with Ibotta, y'all, because it's been hard. It's been so hard in these Ibotta streets. Like every haul, it's like, okay, I hope something pops up. I hope something pops. And it's just like, look, we be just wishing and praying. Ibotta, you need to hear our wishes and our prayers. I guess they still on vacation until after New Year. My bad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.